there. Hello, cat. Hello, cat.
Hello.
Meow. So, cat, what are you doing today?
I'm going to a party.
Wow, cat, may I come?
Sure.
Well, okay, I'll be there. What time can I come?
5 o'clock.
Well, okay, cat. Goodbye. Bye, cat.
Bye.
Now that cat left, I have to get ready and put on some clothes. Oh my, I have nothing to wear.
Now let me get ready for the party.
Oh no, I need to call Cat. I'm so scared that I have nothing to wear. What am I gonna do? Let me go look in the closet. Okay, I'm looking, and I'm looking. I have nothing to wear. No!
Did I just hear Minnie Mouse scream? Why?
I wonder who could that be? Oh, hello.
I heard you scream.
Yeah, I'm sorry to tell you this, but I have nothing to wear to the party. I'm sorry, Cat. I can't go.
It's okay. We can go get you some to wear to the store and get some clothes.
Why? Thank you, Cat. You are the best. Huggies. Hug, 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 hug. I love you, Cat. You are the best friend ever.
You coming?
Oh, yes. Let me just go get ready. Well, I won't be putting on any clothes because I don't have any. Let me just go brush my teeth.
Wait.
Brush, 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 brush. I'm done, Mouse. I'm done. Oh my God, I'm crazy today. I'm done, Cat.
Why?
No, I'm done brushing my teeth.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I was just confused.
Well, Cat, I am too. Let's go to the store. Yay! I found me something to wear. Uh-oh, I tripped over something. I found me something to wear. Let me just go get it. Got it.
Wow, Minnie, you look beautiful.
Why, thank you.
Oh, wait. Are you wearing the same thing?
No. Okay. I can just wear this. There's nothing over here that I like. Well, then I'm just gonna go to the party with the same thing on. But whatever. Let's go to the party.
Well, oh, okay, Minnie.
Okay, let's go.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Whoa!
That was a fun party. Did you like it, Kat?
Oh, yes, it was lovely.
Well, Kat, at least I went to the party, and it doesn't matter because I looked pretty today, and you also looked handsome because it doesn't matter. This is the lesson you learned, kids. Never, ever, ever go to a store, and you know that you are not going to like the clothes. Is that right, Kat?
Yes.
Is that right, Kat?
Yes.
Bye!